Need to manage your T-Mobile home internet network? Whether you want to change your Wi-Fi name, check connected devices, or adjust settings, it all starts by logging into your gateway's admin panel. Let's get started. Step 1. Locate router, modem default settings. To get default login username and password, check your T-Mobile router or modem label. Step 2. Connect to your T-Mobile router. First, make sure you're connected to your T-Mobile Wi-Fi network, either using wireless or wired from router LAN port. Step 3. Access T-Mobile router settings. Now, open your web browser. In the address bar, type this exactly, 192.168.12.1 and press enter. This is the default gateway address for most T-Mobile home internet routers. This will take you to the login page for your T-Mobile gateway. You'll see a screen asking for a password. Locate admin password printed on the router sticker and press login button. Step 4. Change your Wi-Fi name and password. From the left side menu, go to Wi-Fi network, then go to 2 GHz Wi-Fi and 5 GHz Wi-Fi band and change SSID and password one by one. After updating Wi-Fi SSID and password, you need to connect all Wi-Fi devices again with new Wi-Fi name and password. That's it. You have successfully logged in and changed T-Mobile Wi-Fi router default Wi-Fi name and password. If this video helped you to log in into your T-Mobile modem or router, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.